स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. So today's video is all about the preparation for TISSNET 2022. So this video is for those candidates who are graduated or done with their graduation or masters and who are already entered into the corporate world, and also for those candidates who are doing their graduation, and that means they will be freshers for TISSNET, and graduated means they will be experienced candidate for the TISSNET. So friends, what are the benefits you will get if you are graduated and having the experience either of 1 year or 2 year or n number of years, and what are the strengths you will carry being as a freshers? So friends, if you wanna become a part of TISS and wanna crack TISSNET, then the batch already launched for the TISSNET 2022 known as S2C, that is Scratch to Crash batch. So for enrollment you can call on 8828581455. So basically each and every student went through any of these streams, right? Like arts, from commerce and from science. Now exactly in which particular course you wanna enter, it depends on your base, and that means your core strength. So if you are from arts, then there are various courses, then commerce and then science, and it again divided into various streams such as in engineering, in pharma, medical. So all these have the sub streams. Now either you are from any of the stream, you don't need to worry, because in TISS you can enter through any of the streams. That means the TISS has the great diversity. So friends, being a graduates क्या आपकी strength होगी, and being a freshers किन strength की आपके पास कमी होगी? Do not worry, because if you are a graduated and आप चाहते हो I have to enter into TISS in 2022, that means आपके पास अभी काफी टाइम है टू गेट द एक्सपीरियंस इन योर रिलेटिव फील्ड, जो आपका एक की डोमेन होगा. दैट मीन्स अगर आप कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएटेड हो, सो यू कैन वर्क इन अकाउंट, इन फाइनेंस, इन बजटिंग, राइट. सेम वाइज अगर आप साइंस ग्रेजुएट हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने इंजीनियरिंग किया है, सो यू कैन एंटर इनटू द इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज. आपने फार्मा किया है, यू कैन एंटर इनटू द फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनीज. और अगर आपने मेडिकल किया है, देन यू कैन डू योर प्रैक्टिस. But friends, there are so many courses where you can make a big jump into your career, and that is all about the TISS. Because friends, यहाँ आपको 50 से भी ज़्यादा programs मिलेंगे, and in these 50 courses you can enter if you belong to any of the stream. Either it is a 3 years degree or even a 4 years degree. So if you are an experienced candidate, that means you have the core field knowledge. You will have the relevant field experience, and it will affect in your placement. अगर आपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ज्वाइन कर लिया, then you will be a master of these all things. And after cracking TISSNET, if you are looking for HRM and LR program or even a ODCL, then you can easily enter into these programs because you already have your base strong. Same wise friends, if you are a freshers, then don't worry कि आपके पास कोई experience नहीं है और आपने ग्रेजुएशन के साथ साथ TISSNET के लिए अप्लाई किया है. If you are a fresher, then you can make your base strong, because still you are in your graduation. Same wise, in which particular specialization you wanna enter, you can develop your skills accordingly. You can choose your specialization in the graduation. So overall you will get the core knowledge about that field. That means it will boost your overall studies in that 2 years of TISS. So friends, even आपने graduation कर लिया है या आप freshers हो, आपको चिंता करने की कोई बात नहीं friends. Because अगर आपने graduation किया है, definitely आपके पास experience है, आप वो एक्सपीरियंस का आगे फायदा उठा सकते हो. आपके पास रिलेवेंट फील्ड का एक्सपीरियंस है. यू विल लर्न लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन दैट 2 years इन TISS. बट सेम वाइज इट इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट. सो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट हो, आप पर्टिकुलर डोमेन में काम कर रहे हो, सो आप ये मत सोचो कि साइंस की जो कोर्सेस है हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में मैं जा सकता हूँ या नहीं. यू कैन एंटर इनटू द हॉस्पिटल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, क्योंकि आपके पास स्ट्रेंथ है. यू वर्कड इन अकाउंट पार्ट, इन फाइनेंस पार्ट, इन बजटिंग पार्ट, एंड ऑल्सो द मैनेजमेंट पार्ट. So you had the experience of that relative field. Same wise आप साइंस ग्रेजुएटेड हो और फिर भी आप सोच रहे हो कि I want to enter into HRM, LR और ODCL. So you can also enter in these 2 courses, but make sure you have to develop your skills accordingly. So friends, don't worry about the courses. Look into yourself. आप अपने आप को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हो. Think about it and choose according to your passion, where exactly you wanna be. So don't worry at all about the preparation. Just join Manual online program where you will get all the stuffs and boosters like books, mock tests, sectional and full course, and the live interaction with us. So call on 8828581455 or visit manualedu.com/MBA entrance. If you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.